Mistplay and InboxDollars reward users in completely different ways, so consistency depends more on how you earn than on which app you install. One focuses on mobile gaming, while the other offers multiple earning activities. By the end of this video, you'll know how each platform works, what affects earning consistency, and which one is likely to fit your routine better. Start with Mistplay. Mistplay is built around playing eligible Android games. You earn rewards by launching supported games through the app and completing qualifying gameplay or milestones. If you regularly play mobile games and keep using titles that continue offering rewards, your earning experience tends to be predictable because you're repeating the same type of activity. Now look at InboxDollars. InboxDollars combines several ways to earn, including surveys, games, promotional offers, and other online activities. Instead of relying on one earning method, you choose from whatever opportunities are available in your account. That flexibility can be useful, but the number and type of offers can change over time. So which platform pays more consistently? If your daily habit is playing mobile games, Mistplay is generally more consistent because the entire platform revolves around gameplay. You don't have to switch between different kinds of tasks. As long as eligible games are available in your account, you can continue using the same earning method. InboxDollars can feel more consistent if you prefer variety instead of gaming alone. If one category of offers isn't available or doesn't interest you, you may still find surveys, promotional offers, or other earning opportunities. The trade-off is that the available tasks can change, so your routine may vary from one day to the next. Another factor is personal preference. Someone who enjoys mobile games may stay active on Mistplay longer because the process feels like entertainment instead of work. Someone who rarely plays games may find InboxDollars easier simply because it offers different ways to participate. Before choosing either platform, review the current offers available on your account. Both services update their available opportunities over time, and the selection you see can depend on your location, device, and account eligibility. Checking your own account gives you a better picture than relying on someone else's experience. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay is more focused if you want to earn through mobile gaming. InboxDollars offers more variety beyond games, and the more consistent platform is usually the one that matches how you naturally spend your time. If this comparison helped you decide, subscribe for more reward app comparisons, reviews, and practical troubleshooting guides.